Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to share with you the unboxing of this. This is a FabFitFun box. You've seen these on YouTube a lot. They've been available in the US for a really long time and only just recently have they finally started to ship to the UK. So, if you don't know, it is a quarterly subscription box. It ends up being around about £55–60 a quarter, but I had the spring one. I didn't film a video on that. I thought about it and then realised that by the time I'd filmed the spring one, the summer ones would be shipping, and so I decided I'll just start with the summer one. So it came today. So I haven't opened it. All I've done is like cut the tape so I can get into it. So I'm going to open it on camera and we can do like a first impressions of what's in the box. So it's a cute box, I will say that. I love that pattern. So it's quite heavy, so I'm going to put it here. And you get a magazine that tells you stuff about, I guess, what's in the box. Some stuff about Eva Longoria. You deserve some fun. Pass this on to a friend who would love FabFitFun. Refer a friend card. And then tissue paper. Now, I don't know whether I should look or whether I should just grab stuff. So, well, I've looked now. Now I've ruined it. Okay. Well, holy cow. I'm going to pick up the shiny thing. This is actually quite exciting. I will say, before I get into this, I really enjoyed the spring box. It was a great box. I still get Glossybox. I just recently cancelled Birchbox just because I found that I was getting a bit burnt out on subscription boxes and multiple samples of stuff that I've already tried. Whereas this one is full sizes and it isn't just beauty, there's other stuff in it as well. So first thing, shiny gold box. This is the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. Smooths and softens, intense hydration. So it's exfoliate, polish, soothe and smooth. So there's papain, which I'm guessing is something from that kind of fruit, and willow bark extract to exfoliate, pumpkin seed extract, orange fruit extract and lemon fruit extract to polish, and then bromelain, which I know is from pineapple, and black leaf tea extract. Oh, okay, so it's not scrubby. Interesting. So it says here, directions for use ideally at bedtime, apply liberally to desired area and let dry, go to bed and awake with softer feet, rinse after 8 to 12 hours. So it's an acid exfoliator for your feet. So that is very exciting. I have, and I keep meaning to do a review and haven't, but I have the Clarisonic pedicure gadget, which is great, but that's easier, so we'll see. Next up, this is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Mist 4 to 5 sprays onto face with eyes closed before or after makeup. I've never heard of this brand. If this is rose, then it's probably not going to be my most favourite thing because I'm not a big rose fan. I think they're pretty. I don't really like the smell. So let's see. Oh wow, it's huge. I'm going to just leave the box over there. Rose spray, hydrating rose facial spray. So it's a pretty decent size. What is that, 240ml? It's a decent size and it smells of rose. Like full on old lady rose. So I'm going to give that away. But if you liked rose, that's, that's a decent sized product to be getting in a box. Let's go with this one. This is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I think I've had a mini of this in Birchbox, Glossybox, one of those, and I haven't actually tried it yet. But it is Refine, Brighten, Illuminate and Nurture. So I guess it's going to be kind of brightening and possibly slightly moisturising as well. I don't know. We'll see. I'm trying to be better with masks. Masks are a thing I'm very bad at because I'm lazy with that stuff, and so I don't often mask as much as I should, but I'll try. Next up, This is it's covered in, you know, this stuff, you know, these, everything is covered in paper. This is the Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. This is 118ml, which is, I don't know whether it's full size, but it's a decent size. It says here, no frizz. Oh, it's the No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. There's a little frizz of the line through it. Nourishes in lightly conditions for smooth, frizz-free styles. Apply generously to clean damp hair from roots to ends, comb through style as usual. So I've had a few things. Oh, it smells good. The Living Proof stuff has a really nice, like, sort of fresh, slightly fruity, slightly floral scent that I really like. So I've had a few things from Living Proof, and everything I've had I have really liked. So not that my hair is necessarily frizzy, although looking at it in the viewfinder, it needs cutting at the moment, to be fair. So it isn't really frizz as much as it is split ends that need to be removed. But I will definitely try that. I'm actually excited to try that. So that's another win. There's a little baby pack of Invisibobbles that you can't see because of the reflection. There are 3 clear ones and 3 like blondie, sort of light peachy sort of ones. These are great. I always have hairbands kicking around, so these will get used. So this next thing, this was a thing, I think a couple of these are things that I chose, because with the FabFitFun box, if you do it quick enough, you can choose some of the things, like some of the things have options. So I chose, just because I've never really tried it before, a couple of things from Sol de Janeiro. So I'm the last person in the universe to try this stuff. So this is the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturising Shower Cream Gel. And that's the full size. That's as big as my head. Which is 385ml, so that's a full size. And then there's this size, which is not... It comes in a bigger size, but this is not a travel size, of the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, Boom Boom Cream. I don't know. Fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. People go nuts about the smell of this stuff, and I've never smelled it, so I don't know. At least I don't think I have. Is this sealed too? I'm liking that people actually seal stuff now. Yeah, the shower stuff is sealed. Let's see if I can actually open it. Come on. Oh, okay. So it smells kind of sweet. It's not coconut, but it's kind of sweet and sort of nutty. Oh, that's really nice. I want to eat that. I really want to eat that. I don't necessarily know whether that means I want the smell of it, but I definitely want to eat it. So, and I managed to get lipstick on that bottle then, that was clever. So, body wash, shower cream, whatever you want to call it, and body cream in the same sense. I'm excited to try those because these were a thing that I chose. Another thing that I chose, I have no idea what I'm going to do with, but they were cute, is this little kit. So this is a set of 3 bowls. I don't know, there isn't much more description that I can give than that. These are from West Elm, who make just beautiful stuff. Like, we don't have a lot of West Elm stores here, but there's one in Westfield in Shepherd's Bush. So to those of you who are in the area, good Westfield, rather than the one in Stratford, which I think is less impressive. But effectively what it is this really cute little set of tied in something I'm going to just get rid of. So it's 3 tiny bowls. The pattern's slightly different on the inside than on the outside, and they're just cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I selected them on the basis that they were cute. And I don't remember what the other 2 options were, but whatever they were, I didn't want. So I went with the bowls. So that leaves me, is that right? I have 2 things left. So this is Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. So that is the skincare product. It says here, super fine treatment gently sweeps away dull surface cells and purifies pores for all skins. It looks like it's organic, cruelty-free, all that good stuff. I've never heard of this brand before, but I will be interested to see what the product is like. Sealed again. But yeah, so it's a polish. Apply to damp face and neck, massage gently to exfoliate dead surface cells, rinse off product and pat dry, gentle enough to use daily. I like a scrub. I know that actual like scrubby scrubs are just not, they're not de rigueur anymore. They're just not, because everybody's into like acid exfoliation and all of that. But actually sometimes I think you can't just beat like a proper scrubby scrub on your face, scrubbing. So I'm happy to have that. That's good. That leads me to the last thing, which is in a little bag, and it is Jennifer, I'm going to guess that's pronounced Zuna. Jennifer Zuna jewellery. I don't remember if this was the thing I chose. I don't think it was. Oh, cute. Okay, so it looks like a necklace based on how much extra chain there is at the back. And it's got like, I don't know if you can see that, little teeny stars on it. I don't wear very much gold jewellery. Oh, it's cute though. So I tend to wear silver, sometimes rose gold, mostly silver, just because my complexion is cooler toned and therefore tends to suit those shades better. However, I will say, oh, is that looped? It is looped. That's really cute. So I don't know how to hold that so you can see it, because I didn't think this through. Do I have something? Where's Eva Longoria gone? Hold on. Can you see? No, that doesn't help. This side? Does this side help? Yeah, that helps a bit. So you can just see, it's like it's a double strand. There we go. Double strand necklace with two little stars. And that's really quite pretty. I've never heard of this brand before. And obviously this is gold plate, so this isn't, you know, it's costume jewellery. It isn't anything tremendously fancy. Let's see how high up it sits. So it sits quite high up. But it's cute. It is cute. On days where I might wear gold jewellery, I think I'd wear this. It's like two little chains. Very cute. So that was the contents of the box. So the total value of this box, based on the stuff that I got, $331.95. Now, value is all subjective, so am I happy to have all of this stuff and to have paid 50, 60 quid for it? Yeah, fine, completely fine with that. Would I have bought all of these things at full price? Not sure I would have. I wouldn't have paid $39 for a set of bowls. I just wouldn't have. That's the sort of thing that you could pick up in Primark or Matalan or TK Maxx or somewhere like that for way less than that. So I wouldn't have paid $40 for that. Would I have paid $57 for the mask thing that I dropped on the floor? No! Not mask, scrub. No, no chance. Would I have paid $50 for the little gold necklace? I would not have paid $50 for that necklace. But it's a fun little selection of stuff. This is my second one. As I said, I really liked the first one. I'm already looking forward to the autumn one, because there's something about these boxes that just feels, it feels a bit more luxurious than a glossy box, which really has just got to the point now where it's a bunch of samples in it. Like, great, bunch of samples. You end up being over it. It's because it's a bunch of samples, or it's things from brands that you don't care about, or that just aren't right somehow. I don't know. I still have Glossy Box, and I am going to do, at some point I'll probably film an unboxing. I'm probably going to try and pick it up old school in the organised like Jen / Pretty Neat Living way, which was she would open a box and review the previous box at the same time, and I think that's a really good way of filming these sorts of videos, just because it means that you actually do use the stuff because you're reviewing it with the next one. So I'm contemplating something like that. All in all, I'm very happy. I was happy with the spring box. I didn't do an unboxing of that because, as I said, by the time I'd sort of figured out, oh, I could film this, this one was going to be here, and I don't want to be putting a spring unboxing up when summer unboxings are going up and all that jazz. So that was my FabFitFun box. If you're in the UK, are you getting it? Did you know you could get it? If you're looking for a little bit of a splurge and like just a treat every now and then, I think it's a really nice way of doing it. I think it's nicer and probably a slightly better investment than £13 or £14 a month on one of those other subscription boxes where it's just samples, because with this you are at least getting full-size product. Everything in that was full size. None of them were like sachets or minis or anything like that. It was all full size. And so I think, based on that alone, I think it's worth doing if you're in the market for a box. So let me know your thoughts. If you are also a subscriber, did you pick different options to the ones that I got? Like, what did you pick if you're a subscriber? Are there any specific types of videos that you would like to see from me? Please don't say tutorials or get ready with me's, because I really struggle with those. But if there's anything else that you would like to see from me, please leave me a comment and let me know, because otherwise all it's going to be is like hauls and favourites and empties, and I don't know whether that's something that you really like or whether there's other stuff you'd like to see. So I would love some feedback. That would be awesome. Until the next video, which will be soon, thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.